my friends, and today we're going to be doing adding fractions with unlike denominators. If you've seen my last one, we were doing adding fractions with like denominators, and this time we're doing with unlike denominators. I'm going to give you guys an example, and like what we did to start the video last time, this is the denominator, and this is the numerator. So, there you go. And now I'm going to show you just like what I did last time. We have 7 parts here, and this is what the denominator means of how many parts there are. And the numerator means how many parts are shaded in, which would be 3 parts are shaded in. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand that. If you don't understand that, I kind of more explained it in my previous video. But anyways, we're going to start learning. Because learning's fun. Okay, so let's get a sum. Remember, these are unlike denominators. Okay, basically what unlike denominators mean is that the two denominators are not the same. Like in my previous video, we had where the denominators are the same, but this time the denominators are not the same. So they are both different. So it kind of makes it a little bit harder to solve, but I promise you, I'm going to try to make this easier for you to understand. So, first what we do is we have to see if 9 goes into 18. If it doesn't, then you have to also change the 18. But since 9 does go into 18, which is in fact twice, what you do is this times 2. So you do 9 times 2 is 18. So, because you multiplied the bottom by 2, you have to always do the same on the top. Remember, the denominator is the bottom, the numerator is the top. You should always try to remember that. Okay. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 9 by 2. It's 18, obviously. Now this makes it easier because you both have the same denominators. And 4 times 2 is 8. So basically, 4 nines is equivalent or equal to 8 over 18. So, now that we have the two same denominators, we can easily add the two numbers. So we're going to use the denominator 18, because that's what they both change to. And we're going to add 8 and 2, which is 10. Okay. If you didn't understand that, I'm going to explain it a little bit more anyways. And if you're like, okay, I'm confident with this, you can always go to my next video or skip ahead for this video and go check the challenge or practice activity. There'll be 4 questions for that again today. I'm actually going to make this a little bit more harder. I know these are meant to be easier, but I want to make it a bit more challenging, or not challenging, but I'm just going to make it harder. Okay, so again, these are unlike denominators because unlike basically means like not the same kind of, So we can see that 30 is not the same as 90. And we have to change one of these. First, we see if the smaller one goes into 90. And if you do know this, it does. 30 goes in fact 3 times. You can also like it could also be bigger numbers too, and sometimes you could also like have to change like the two of them, which I'm gonna try to make in the next video. Okay, so let's try to solve this now. Okay, so we have, this means basically, because 30 goes into 90 3 times, that's basically multiplied it by 3. And whatever we do at the bottom again, we have to always do it at the top. So, this will be another fraction. 30 times 3 is 90. And this makes it easier because these two are then the same denominators. And now we're going to do 15 times 3. I already know this, but for you guys to understand a little bit better, I'm going to multiply it over here. It's 45. So, this 15 over 30 is equivalent or the same or equal to 45 over 90. 45 over 90 is also a half, and this is also a half too. Anyways, now that we have the same denominator, they're both 90, the answer's denominator will also be 90. 72 plus 45, we're going to be adding it over here. Okay. This is 117. Now, we're not going to be doing this in the video, but we have to change this to a mixed fraction. So first what we do is we see how many times does 90 go into 117 to get a whole number, which is 27. So we have one whole and 27 left over. And because there's 27 left over, we have to put it over 90. This isn't really in this video, so if you still don't understand that, there'll be a separate video for you to understand it from. But all you need to know is the answer is 1 and 27 over 90. Now we're going to be having one more demonstration, where you have to change both of them. Okay guys, I'm going to give you guys an unlike denominator, which you have to change both of them. Dun dun dun, what do you do? Well, I'm going to give you guys the sum. So,
Hi, sis.
Huh? Oh, guys, my sisters actually came over. Hi, sis.
Hi.
Basically,
I make my own videos too.
she's the if you see like there's like 2 people who teach, so she's also my sister. You can put your hands so that they know.
My voice isn't actually like that. This is,
Okay.
I'm the littler sister.
Well, anyways, we were actually learning how to do unlike adding fractions with unlike denominators. Do you want to learn with us? Okay, she's saying no, but I think she's going to sit out here with us. Anyways, guys, let's carry on. So here, we have to change both of these, both the denominators. Remember, the denominators at the bottom, numerator is the top. Right now, we're focusing on the denominators. We have to change them both, because this is not the same as this, and 3 can't go into 7, can it, guys? Or 7 can't go into 3 either. So you have to change them both. We have to do our 7 times tables and our 3 times tables. If you already know this, you will be obviously at 21, but because you don't know this yet, or I don't think you know this, I'm going to show you. So, okay. I'm just going to go up to that much, or I might go like a little bit more, like just like up to there maybe. Okay, and now we'll do our 3 times tables. I'm going to stop there. I'm actually going to get a line to just separate them. And these are the times tables. I'm just writing down. So these are the 7 times tables and these are the 3 times tables. And what we have to do is we have to get a number that they both go into. Okay, so first of all, we can see our starting of our 7 times tables. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. And now we can see the 3 times tables is 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. Oh, I think we've got our match. As you can see, they both have 21. You can see 21 over here, 21 over here. That means we have to multiply them both to get to 21. Okay. Let's get our marker. Actually, I'm going to get green. Okay. So, 7 times what equals to 21? 1, 2, 3. This will be multiplying by 3. And you did at the bottom, so we have to also do at the top. And we'll see how many times does this do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 7, sorry. We're doing 7 times 3. So, oh guys, I actually forgot about this. Oh yeah. Yeah, this has 6, 3, 6, 9, guys. I forgot about the 6, guys. I don't know why I always forget about that. It's 3, 6, 9. So I'm actually just gonna rub that out a little bit, guys. Okay, 3, 6, 9. Okay, that's why it said wrong. Okay, yeah. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, it's 3, 6, 9. So you don't get complicated. Sorry I did that. Okay, so basically we have to multiply them both and we do the same one here. So 7 times 3 is 21, so this is for this fraction. We will do 7 times 2 is 14. Over here, that will be already multiplied. And 3 times 1 is 3. And now it's way easier to add them together. So, we have 3 plus 14 is 17. And that is how you do it. It looks a little bit confusing because, to be honest, I actually find this confusing too sometimes. But, now I find it easy, And hopefully with my help, you'll find it easy too. I'm just going to give you a couple of seconds to just quickly look at these. And then I'm going to give you your own sums. Okay, guys, I think I give you enough time. If you can always pause the video if you need to see how to do it a little bit more. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be pausing the video here to just give you guys the sums. Okay. Now, guys, and by the way, guys, my sister's actually gone right now. I think she got a little bit bored of this. But anyways, I've got you guys 3 sums instead of 4 this time because I actually need a little bit of space to work out for you guys. So I'm just going to give you guys a couple of seconds. Please pause the video because I think this is, I would have only done for 10 minutes, but this is going a little bit longer than 10 minutes. So I'm just going to quickly let you guys just quickly look at this. You can take you can pause the video if you want more time. I'm going to give you 5 seconds or something. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to give you not enough time. If you need more time, remember, just pause the video. But we've got to run through this. I don't want to keep you guys for too long and then get bored. Okay, so for this, we're only changing one of them. So we're changing 3 goes into 6 2 times. So I'm going to write down, multiply by 2. So this will be over 6. So we're going to get 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. And this will be ending with 6 because now we have them both even. 4 plus 1 is 5. That was a little bit easier one than where you have to change both of them. Okay, we have this one now. Question 2. Normally before I rubbed it all out, but I think I'm just going to keep it like this for a second. Okay, does 12 go into 60? It does, and it goes into 5 times. So since you multiplied 5 by the bottom, you have to also do by the top. 12 times 5 is 60, so we're going to write down 60. These are both even now, so we can write that over here near our answer. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. And that's where you have the answer. And we have our last one, which is complicated a little bit over here. It's not so complicated, but you might find it a little bit hard when I gave you the amount of time. You might have found that hard, but I'm going to help it to get easier. First of all, we have a half. Now, we have to get a number. This is an odd number, so we have to change both of them because this has to become a number that this is going into. We can't change this to something ending in a 2. We can't do that. So, we're going to get 27, and we're going to change it to an even number, which we could double it. we're going to multiply this by 2. We're not going to do anything with this half yet. We're just going to multiply this by 2, which you should get 54. And we're going to write this fraction over 54. Okay, over there. And we're going to do the same by the top, which is 4. So 2 over 27 is equivalent or equal to 4 over 54. We have this over 54, but now we have to get this to 54 too. Now, what does this multiply to get to it? If you guys have got this, good job. It's 27. 27 multiplied by 2 is 54. So since we multiplied 27 to the 2, we're multiplying this by to this. I'm just going to try to split this a little bit, just so that you understand this, because I don't want you guys to get confused between which section. So over here is 27. So this will be 27. This is equivalent to a half. So a half is equivalent to this, which means equal to. Okay, now we can simply add. And I'm actually going to move this a little bit to the side. That's 27, guys. I'm going to get a different color. 54. And 27 plus 4 is, drum roll please, 31. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I don't want to keep you longer than 17 minutes. Hopefully you guys understand this. If you don't understand, I could actually do another video. I just need one of you guys to tell me if you don't understand it, and that's it. I'll give you guys another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and like this video. Bye!